next few minutes, I'm going to let you in on why our product will be the next hot thing in the market. For over a year now, we saw two segments of the market developing. An open source market, dominated by tech-savvy enthusiasts, and the other just your average Joes who just want to watch their favorite content and pay for it if they must. We've decided to close this gap and bring these two worlds together to create something truly wonderful for all. I would like to introduce our first product in the AVOV line, the VIXO One Media Streamer, where you can view your favorite free media and more, all with a very easy to use and fast interface. No longer is it needed to configure your XBMC player. Find the plugin, load it, tweak it, then finally use it. Just hook this baby up, wait a short time for it to load, and you're off to the races. We think you will enjoy using our product as much as we enjoyed making it. New apps will be released every week from many different providers, expanding our library and your dollar value. We at AVOV Technologies pride ourselves with what we accomplished. So let's get started. As soon as you plug in the power, it comes online and starts to load up. In less than a minute, you will be presented with a basic configuration screen. You can skip it, but we recommend to go through this at least once. Set your time zone, language, display resolution, and Wi-Fi connection if you have one, and you're done. The unit can handle up to 1080p and it looks great. If you have a network cable, then just plug it in, and there's nothing more to configure. For those advanced users, you can later on tweak the IP settings and give your AVOV box a static IP address. The VIXO One works best with an HDMI 720p or higher res TV, but we did not forget about you CRT TV owners. You can still enjoy AVOV on your CRT TV via a composite connection with stereo audio. Two USB ports are available for connecting your USB drive to stream local media or your favorite wired or wireless keyboard and mouse for web surfing and gaming. Also available is a micro SD card slot for local media play. All this is totally plug and play. Using the highly efficient and new MickyHop platform, navigation, app install, and launching is done quickly with little to no waiting time. We pretty much thought of everything to make install and use quick and easy. Now let's take a closer look under the settings menu to see what options are available. Under System Info is where you can view your current software version. The most important option here is the factory reset option. If you have any trouble with the unit, factory resetting is the easiest way to resolve the issue. In a few minutes, it'll be as new as it was the first day you bought it. No need to dabble with the settings you don't know that can possibly wreck your install. By default, system updates are set to automatic. With Miracast, you can duplicate your Android device's screen on your TV using a private ADHOC wireless network. It runs by default, so your Android device will pick it up right away. Both AirPlay and DLNA support is available if you have a compatible device and you want to display content on your TV. A handy help section is available showing you how to access the feature on your iPhone or compatible device. Just like Miracast, this feature runs out of the box with no configuration required. Parental control allows you to hide channels in the My Channels section that are locked, adding an extra layer of security against what you want to keep the kids away from. You can also change your password here if they were smart enough to get past your old one. If you don't have a Wi-Fi router at home, hook up your VIXO One into your wired network and turn it into a Wi-Fi hotspot with a few button presses on your remote. Change network ID, security type, and password using the familiar Wi-Fi interface. More connection settings include VPN configuration to view US-only channels like Pandora and Hulu, and PPPoE settings to connect directly to a DSL modem. You must have a VPN account to enter the VPN settings screen. Finally, you can browse our website and other internet sites using the homepage section. Using your remote is possible, but a keyboard and mouse are highly recommended for optimal browsing. And now for the channel market, the heart of the AVOV experience. Mickey Market is where you'll find apps currently available for your AVOV VIXO One. Check back here often as new apps are released on a weekly basis. To the right is a category of all the apps, so you can find what you're looking for faster and easier. Simply choose a desired category and it will load to the left all available apps. Highlight the app of your choice and click it when you are taken to a very simple install screen. Navigate to the install button and and within a few seconds the app is already installed and ready to run. It really is that simple. There is no need for further tweaking or playing around, no chance of breaking the install or issues running after it. Mickey Market is designed to be as simple as possible and let you choose what you want, install it quickly, and even run it as soon as you finish the install. This easy interface and quick installation and loading was only available on media players with paid content and not XBMC-based setups. With Mickey Market, we have merged free content market with the usage experience only available with players like Roku and Apple TV. This is why AVOV VIXO 1 is a hot little unit. AVOV is dedicated to the viewer experience. Now that you've finally got some apps installed like Lost Movies and Movie 25, you want to start watching some movies. If you just installed the app, then simply click on the run button to launch it. You can also lock this app so a password is required to open it. Within a few seconds, you will have the app's simple to navigate interface. In our example to the left, you will have various categories to make finding what you want faster and easier. With this app, you can also search by title. To make it more attractive and informative, each movie entry displays a thumbnail with its title and release year. Let's click on this one here. Clicking on a movie entry will show a description screen along with the release month and the option to run the movie or add it to your favorites section for easy access in the future. If this was a TV show, you would have additional options like which season and which episode to choose. Let's go ahead and play this movie. With AVOV VIXO 1, you get a list of all available links for the chosen content. Simply click the link to start the buffering process. As soon as enough has been loaded, it will start to play the content. Notice how you can see the download speed. If it's too slow at any time, press the list button on your remote and you are back to the link screen where you can pick another link. If the link is down, you will be informed immediately and can pick another link right away. If you're in the middle of watching and a link suddenly slows down, picking another link will start it from where you left off, so all you have to do is continue watching. We want to make your viewing experience a pleasure with AVOV VIXO 1. While we don't have any control over the content provider's uptime, we are always on the lookout for broken links and shut down sites, and are promptly removed from our list of available apps or links. During play, pressing the guide button gives you a list of subtitle options if available. Pick the desired subtitle to make it appear immediately, or turn off subtitles altogether. So what is AVOV? Free content, easy navigation, addictive gaming, rock-solid performance, an ever-expanding app library from different and various sources. This is the AVOV experience, dedicated to the best in home entertainment from all over the internet directed to your home. The future of media streaming is here and only from